Tonight, the News 8 investigators are working to get answers after reports of dirty and downright disgusting conditions at the West Haven VA hospital. News 8's Chief Investigator David Iverson has been working this story all day. He just spoke with Senator Richard Blumenthal in West Hartford. He also spoke with veterans in West Haven as well. Tonight, he's joining us live from our Hartford newsroom. David?
Right, and actually what sparked this entire report was complaints from veterans who had been at that facility. And now Senator Richard Blumenthal is sounding off. Rain and snow turned to slush and dirt outside the VA hospital in West Haven. And inside, hospital officials dealing with a mess of their own. This report points to terminals not being cleaned properly inside the hospital and cleaning procedures not being followed by staff and patients with infectious diseases being treated alongside those without. That, officials say, is a great way to spread disease.
If I was in the ER, I would definitely be concerned about it.
This veteran outside the hospital has heard plenty of horror stories, and infection inside is a worry of hers.
These deficiencies are more than superficial or cosmetic. They go to the basic standards of safe, sanitary medical care.
The entire report worries Senator Richard Blumenthal.
These deficiencies in basic failure to meet standards of clean, safe, sanitary care are intolerable.
He says he's planning on visiting the hospital this Friday to talk with hospital leaders directly about the issues to see what can be done.
My hope is that it's an aberration.
The hospital declined to be interviewed about the report. Instead, they issued a statement saying, in part, the hospital is committed to providing veterans with the highest quality care in the best patient care environment, and many of the issues that the Inspector General found were corrected the day of the inspection.
In most hospitals, that would be intolerable, and it should be in the VA hospitals as well.
Now, as for that meeting between Senator Blumenthal and hospital officials, it's a private event, but afterwards we are expecting to hear from Senator Blumenthal his thoughts on their answers. Also, Blumenthal says they can expect to see more investigations at this facility. In the Hartford newsroom, David Iverson for the News 8 investigators.